Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to prevent WhatsApp group members from adding others to your group. This feature is perfect for maintaining control over your group and avoiding unwanted additions. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the group you want to manage. Next, select the group where you want to restrict member permissions. Tap on the group's name at the top of the conversation screen. This will take you to the group's details and settings page. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Group Permissions. Tap on it to access the settings that control what members can do within the group. In this section, look for the toggle switch next to Add Other Members. By default, this option may be enabled, allowing group members to add others freely. To stop this, simply toggle it off. Once disabled, only admins will have the authority to add new members to the group. And that's it. With this simple adjustment, you've successfully limited member permissions and ensured more control over your WhatsApp group. This small but powerful setting can help keep your group organized and free from unnecessary disruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.